Klavžar. Shot clock winding down, gets in, puts it up, and you can count it. Klavžar. They're in a little bit of bother. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. It's a 9-point lead for Slovenia from three-point range. That's good. His second three-pointer of the day. Here's the reach. Slovenia taking it deep, back outside again, and getting the buckets. Stepping back. Oh, Klavžar. That's a 2. Big time. Watch the rebounders. We are knotted with 1:18 remaining. Yeah, so... But pressure now on Klavžar. It takes his time. Ice. The battle for the rebounds commence. He makes both.